Welcome to part 4 of AI for Everyone. In our last session, we discussed why you likely have an AI subscription problem rather than an AI strategy. Today, we're fixing how you roll it out. Top-performing companies prove AI works in just 90 days, while the average enterprise takes 9 months or longer. That gap isn't about technology, it's about your rollout strategy. Most AI investments die because they lack a phased plan for data, people, and integration. In fact, 88% of AI pilots never make it to production. To survive, you need the 90-day rollout framework. Each phase earns the right to the next. Skip one, and the whole thing stalls. Days 1 to 30 are about foundations. Before touching a single tool, you must audit your data landscape, align leadership on measurable success, and address the human element to ensure adoption. SynaptyX helped one global enterprise achieve 85% stakeholder engagement by prioritizing this alignment before deploying a single tool. Days 31 to 60 focus on your first deployment. Pick exactly one high-impact, high-visibility use case and deploy it against your existing stack. Don't create new silos. This is about getting a win on the board to build advocacy. Finally, days 61 to 90 are for scale and proof. Connect your pilot directly to revenue outcomes like pipeline contribution and cost per acquisition. Build feedback loops so every tool's output informs the next. When we deployed an AI analytics engine for a telecom client, the biggest impact was shifting the cultural team from manual reporting to AI-augmented decision-making. You can start this week. Audit your tool stack to save up to 40% on redundancies, define your metrics, and enable your AI champions. Avoid the traps that kill rollouts, like deploying too fast, skipping data audits, or ignoring the cultural adoption gap. By day 90, you should have unified data flow, a proven use case, and a solidified business case ready to fund the next 12 months of growth. We started this series with a question, and now you have the framework. What separates a subscription from a strategy is architecture, sequencing, and measurement. If you're ready to implement AI the right way, reach out to us.